Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Pran Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhiya Ram Ji.
सूयन्ते पंडितः भरतर्षभ। समझदार लोग श्रेष्ठ कर्मों में ही लगे रहते हैं, किसी का भला देखकर ईर्ष्या भी नहीं करते हैं। अमृत वचन। जीवन में पछताना छोड़ो, कुछ ऐसा करो कि आपको छोड़ने वाला पछताए। भारत माता की जय।
Let's have a look at the headlines of the past week.
Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri celebrated with determination to adopt cleanliness and Swadeshi. ISRO scientist Dr. Sudesh Thakur ji in various schools interacted with meritorious students. A wave of happiness spread among the students. Launch of Sanskriti Bodh Pariyojana Abhiyan in schools. Tribute function in memory of late Shri Ashish Gupta, MD Sampoorn Feeds Private Limited, Fagwada. Birthday of Shaheed Bhagat Singh celebrated with enthusiasm in Sarvatkari schools, which resounded with slogans of Inqilab Zindabad. Swadeshi Saptah ended with the resolve to make the country self-reliant. The students of Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla learned to make Indian dishes. A one-day school workshop of Hubs of Learning CBSE held at Malerkotla. Under Fit India, many programs were organized which were dedicated to the 400th year of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and the Golden Jubilee year of Sarvatkari. Arrival of MLA Joginder Pal at Bhua Vidya Mandir. Now the news in detail. On the occasion of the birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, a resolution was taken to clean all the schools. Teachers also carried out cleaning campaigns in and around the respective schools. All paid homage to these two national heroes, and the teachers told the students about their love for Swadeshi goods. Swadeshi songs were presented by the students. On this occasion, the students dressed of them. Essays were written on events related to the lives of these two great men, and the message of using Swadeshi items was given along with making posters and slogans. The students were told that we should take inspiration from the lives of Gandhiji and Shastriji and use more and more Swadeshi items so that our economy remains strong and our country moves towards the progress. We have done something special in anthropology. There is still a lot to do. This is what ISRO scientist Dr. Sudesh Thakur ji said. Dr. Sudesh ji stayed in various schools of Punjab from September 24th to October 4th. He is an eminent senior scientist of ISRO and is the area head of the new Semiconductor Laboratory of the Department of Space, CMP. During his stay, he interacted with the students of Super 100, their parents and teachers, and answered their questions as well. He was accompanied by other officers and workers. He also attended the meeting of the subject heads of the Prant at Fagwada. Special news has been received from Prakashvati Vidya Mandir Jalandhar, Jagraon, Rampura Phool and Roopnagar. On October 1st, Sanskriti Bodh Pariyojana Abhiyan was launched in various Sarvatkari Vidya Mandirs of Punjab Prant. The campaign will be run from October 1st to October 15th. In this, the parents will be informed about the Sanskriti Bodh Pariksha and they will be urged to join the test. According to the news received so far, the parents showed their interest in taking exams and took eager to know and understand their culture. Special enthusiasm was seen in Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Chandigarh and Shri Tara Chand Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Bhikhi. In Dhannumal Chadda, Yogesh Gupta Sarvatkari Vidya Mandir Fagwada, a tribute ceremony was organized in the memory of late Shri Ashish Gupta ji, MD Sampoorn Feeds Private Limited. Shri Vijay Nadda ji along with ISRO scientist Shri Sudesh Thakur ji was also present. Srimati Ritu Gupta, wife of late Shri Ashish Gupta, and Shri Rishabh Gupta, his son, subject heads from different places of Punjab Prant and principals of schools were also present. On September 28th, the birthday of the great revolutionary martyr Bhagat Singh was celebrated with enthusiasm and patriotism. All the staff members of the schools were present on this occasion. All the teachers and students chanted slogans of Inqilab Zindabad. Shaheed Bhagat Singh was saluted by singing the song Mera Rang De Basanti Chola. Rampura Phool and Madhav Vidya Niketan and NCC cadets in Amritsar also paid homage to this great patriot. The Swadeshi week, which lasted from September 24th to October 4th, ended with the echo of the slogans Swadeshi Apnayenge, Bharat Ko Samridh Banayenge. During this, the students were told that foreign companies are making profit by taking products from us and selling them to us at 10 times the price. That is, they are enriching their country only through the producers of our country. We can make our country prosperous and self-reliant by using the products made in our country through determination. Students were also taught to make Indian dishes this week at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla. Let us watch some videos of Swadeshi week.
स्वदेशी अपनाना है, भारत देश समृद्ध बनाना है। स्वदेशी अपनाना है, भारत देश समृद्ध बनाना है।
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय,
भारत माता की
जय।
लोड करी जाओ।
A one-day mathematics and Vedic mathematics workshop for Hubs of Learning CBSE was organized, which was conducted by Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla as the lead school. Outstanding resource persons were invited in this workshop, in which National Award winner Shri Kirandeep Singh and Vidya Bharati North Region co-head of Vedic Mathematics Shri Mahesh Sharma ji were present. In this workshop, the Cambridge School, Dhuri, BGS Amargarh, Delhi Public School Dhuri, the Town School Malerkotla and Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla as lead school participated. This information was given by Prachar Pramukh of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir over the phone. According to the news received from Jalandhar, Prakashvati and Keshav, 40D Chandigarh, Jagrao and Makhu on the 400th year of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and the Golden Jubilee year of Sarvitkari, a number of events were held under the Fit India. Tiranga Yatra was held at Prakashvati Vidya Mandir. During this, the atmosphere resounded with cheers from the students. On September 28th, Joginder Pal, MLA of Bhua constituency, arrived at Chaudhry Guranditta Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Bhua. In the annual celebration held at the school before the Corona period, the MLA had announced to give Rs 50,000 to the school. That day, he gave Rs 50,000 to the school in the presence of the principal, manager and other managing committee members. Now, let's take a look at one photo, one news. The students of Sharda Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Chandigarh participated in the half marathon workshop organized by Arogya Bharti at Ram Darbar Vidya Mandir. A special seminar organized on the birth anniversary of His Excellency President Ramnath Kovind at Derabasi. Dakshata Varg held on September 27th in Mamun. Sarvitkari Surbhi Diye became the center of attraction at Dayanand Public School, Nabha. Online ethical and spiritual Prant meeting held. Prant full-time workers practice class held in Fagwada from 29th to 30th September. Joint Alumni Council meeting of Amritsar Department concluded on 30th of September. Abhibhavak Sampark is going on in Bani Lodhi, Pathankot. Now, here is a beautiful presentation of Shri Arjun Das Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Derabasi under Hamare Vidya Mandir series.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, सबो भूमि हर ग्राम है।
हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
हर शरीर मंदिर सा पावन, हर मानव उपकारी है।
Now, a presentation of Shishu Vatika.
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.